Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in EBS Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in EBS Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference. So once you have opened the web browser, type in the URL www.ebs.ie/mortgages. You will end up in the official website of EBS. So simply tap on the online banking. Once you have tapped on the online banking site, you will be redirected to the next page where all you need to do is simply type in your customer ID. After you have typed in your customer ID, hit the continue button, and this will allow you to get the access of your account of mortgage on your web browser. This is how you log in EBS Mortgage. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.